afternoon. So I'm currently on the way to my hair appointment. We made a quick stop at Chick-fil-A because I am super hungry, but my hair appointment is for 7. Here's currently the time. We definitely have our priorities straight, eating, but I'm gonna get my girl some nuggets, so hopefully it makes up for me being late. I'm currently only 18 minutes away from her, so I'll be running a little behind because I do have to eat. But other than that, I think I'm fine. The wig I have is blue. I don't know how to feel about it, because like blue is like I'm not gonna walk around with blue hair, and then I can't wear anything that's like vibrant because it won't match my hair. I have to wear black. Here's my girl's Instagram. Make sure you go check her out. I haven't been to her before, but her work is tea. Like, I can tell you right now, like, her work is so good. I don't know how I'm gonna get it styled. I may just tell her to freestyle, or I may get a side part with curls like I always do, but that's playing it safe. I don't think I want to play it safe. I want to just, you know, go out with a bang. Whatever she does is what she does. I got this wig from Lemire Hair. They sent me over this wig, and I decided to book with her because it's like, I'm tired of installing my own wigs. Like, have someone else do it. Now, I live in Houston. She lives in Houston too, but right now she's out in PV, so that's where I'm driving to, is PV. And it was an hour and 10 minutes away from my location, so yeah, traffic is bad. Like, no matter what time of the day it is, traffic is going to be bad. Hello.
Yeah.
I have an order for Maya.
Mm-hmm.
Maya?
Is it Maya order?
Yes.
You're good.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I need to get a tripod for in my car so that I don't hold my camera. Hello. Smile? Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. You too. I was caught in between Chick-fil-A or Cane's, but I passed up the nearest Cane's and I don't want to backtrack, so I settled for Chick-fil-A. Not saying Chick-fil-A nasty. I love Chick-fil-A. But your girl was in a mood for Cane's. Like, I don't know, there's a mood for Cane's and there's a mood for Chick-fil-A. I was in a Cane's mood, but I was forced to be in a Chick-fil-A mood. So I'm currently back on the way, but I went to the wrong place. She's off campus and I am on campus, and I'm 5 minutes away, and it's 7:07. Like, your girl has bad time management. Okay, so I just made it. I'm running behind, but I went on campus and not looking at the directions. She doesn't live on campus, so well, we made it. We're here. Here's my wig.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Do you usually wear wigs often, or do you like to do braids?
Braids, like long-term braids. Wigs, I just do it for companies and then I take it off. I have to get used to it because it feels like a helmet is on my head. Like, I don't know.
That's actually really nice that you can see it, because I was wondering how they do that.
Oh no. Yeah. I have to use that on my edges. For real.
Edges?
Oh.
Oh, this is a stove. Let me switch this. I use it on my edges myself.
hours. I was like, no, I can't have no nothing. I made sure my hair was dang near straight.
I show up prepped all my appointments. I like to go in and like part out a new hairline and part it and fuck that with it.
Do I do it? I don't think I got that patience. Y'all be having patience. Especially with plucking, I be like, man, forget this. I really this time.
But the thing is, like, if I don't, it will like, it's so easy to mess up a wig song. So I got you. That's why like I'm double checking, triple checking on your shade, because if the shade is off, it's gonna look crazy. Crazy.
So long. I want to take it out and then Google will say
you'll trap you'll trap an infection in your ear. And I was just like, well, damn, like, so suffer. You can kind of see the Indian.
I'm so weak because I actually do.
It's like, bro, what tribe did who slept with who? Cause
I've never heard of that before. But I can see what you're talking about.
somebody in my family line is Indian, I promise you.
How much longer does it have on it?
I don't know, it has a little slash through the camera thingy, so you know what I'm saying. If anything, I'll finish on my phone.
Super cute.
I absolutely love my hair. Now it is 1 a.m. and your girl is tired, so I'm going to retire for the night. Thank y'all for spending my day with me and tuning into this vlog. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see y'all later.